If you've ever been hesitant to order plants online, I get it. This one actually turned out really well. These came from PlantsByMail and everything arrived in really good shape. So today I'm planting Saucy Red Salvia for the first time. This is Salvia elegans, which is native to Brazil. So it likes a little more moisture and can appreciate some afternoon shade. So I'm gonna plant it here in my east-facing garden that gets shade after about 3 p.m. This is the first one that I planted. It'll get to be about 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. And I'm gonna go ahead and trim off some of these spent blooms here. It's only the end of March as I'm filming this, so I'd like the plant to focus on establishing a good root system now and then flower power later. There are some new buds on here, so I will go ahead and let these become flowers for the hummingbirds. And that's really the main reason that I bought this plant. I had the Saucy Wine Salvia in this same location last summer and it was beautiful, but I'm looking for something a little bit more bright and showy in this spot. I think these bright red flowers are just going to pop, especially during the afternoon when this bed starts to get into the shade. This is the last red salvia that I need to put in the ground. And when I took it out of the pot, this is what I was left with. The roots are concentrated in the top few inches of the pot. And then the remainder of the pot is just soil, whatever mix they used to pot this up. So you can see this here. There's just no roots in the rest of this. I feel like this can happen for 2 reasons. One, the plant was recently potted into a larger container and has just not had time to root down into this soil. 2, the plant just doesn't want to be in the pot and it would rather be in the ground. And it's just waiting to be planted and then it will begin to thrive. So my advice to you, gardener to gardener, and through my experience of buying these plants online, is it is helpful to take the plant out of the pot, examine the roots before you dig the hole. That way you don't dig the hole too deep in case you run into this issue. I did not follow my own advice there, and I was just assuming that this one was going to be just like the other two, and my hole is now too deep. So I'm going to fill it in a little bit, and I'm just going to make sure that the hole is wider than it is deep, because that's where all the roots are going to grow anyway. So that's what we're going to do here with this one. I'm not worried about it. Again, it's a very healthy plant, but I am trying to plant it in the right place, and I will keep an eye on it, make sure it's watered, and it'll do just fine. So all right, I got all 3 of the Saucy Red Salvia in the ground, and I'm just excited to see how they do this summer, and I hope the hummingbirds love them as well. Have a great day, guys. Bye.